Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Glitter eye makeup is a great way to up your glam quotient and dress up an everyday look. You can either go subtle or really bold with it. If you're just a beginner, here are some easy and quick tutorials to help you ace the glitter eye. It's important to prep your lids with a primer to make sure your eyeshadow stays on for long. Apply a base shadow all over the lid to the brow bone. This will make the glitter makeup on the eyes look more glowy and colourful. Create some definition on the crease and blend. You'll get an idea of where you can place the glitter. Apply a small amount of glue all over your lid using your ring finger so that you don't put too much pressure. Now take the loose glitter at the back of your hand and then lightly dab it on top of the glue. Keep adding glitter little by little till the time you're happy with the amount of pigment you have on. Add some more shadow on the crease to blend the glitter out. You can either go all out with glitter eyeliner or stick to black. Add a generous coat of mascara and you're done. Removing the glitter might be even trickier than putting it on. You have to be gentle with it. Just put some makeup remover on top of a cotton pad and then keep it on top of your lids for a few seconds. Then using circular motions, gently rub it off till the time it's completely gone or nearly gone. And then all that you need to do is just go ahead with a gentle cleanser and you'll be good to go. Again, it's about a lot of practice and a lot of patience. Let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. And you know that the POPxo shop is now live, so you can go crazy shopping for amazing cushion covers, laptop sleeves, mugs and whatnot. So just make sure you click on the link in the description box below. And for more makeup tips and tricks and beauty hacks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty.